Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
Oh, no, please have a seat.
Thank you. It's really crowded today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I think many people are traveling this weekend.
True. Are you traveling for work or vacation?
Vacation. I'm flying to Singapore. What about you?
I'm going to London to visit my sister.
Oh, nice. How long will you stay there?
Just 2 weeks. What about you?
I'll be in Singapore for 10 days. I really need a break from work.
Same here. I work in an office too. Long hours, too much coffee, and no sleep.
That sounds familiar. What do you do exactly?
I'm a graphic designer. I design ads and social media posts.
That's cool. I'm an IT engineer, mostly coding all day.
Oh, wow. That sounds difficult.
It can be, but I enjoy it.
That's great. By the way, is this your first time flying to Singapore?
No, I've been there twice. It's a beautiful city, clean and very safe.
I've heard that. I really want to visit someday.
You should. The food is amazing too.
I love Asian food. What's your favorite dish there?
I love chili crab and Hainanese chicken rice. You must try them if you go.
Sounds delicious. I'll remember that.
Do you travel often?
Not really. I usually travel once a year. What about you?
Maybe twice a year if I get enough time off.
Yeah, time off is the problem for everyone.
True. By the way, which airline are you flying with?
British Airways. You?
Singapore Airlines. I like their service.
Yes, I've heard they're one of the best.
Have you been to London before?